Hello there, warriors. Did you know that tucked in the dark corners of your medicine cabinet, you have liquid gold whose few drops can work miracles and wonders? Let's talk about castor oil, an age-old home remedy lost in obscurity as a surefire cure for constipation. Yes, my good fellows, that iconic bottle that you have seen in Tom and Jerry and other cartoons is not a comic gag, but is actually one of the most useful items in your house. Castor oil is not limited to when your tummy doesn't rumble. Take out that bottle of castor oil and wipe off the dust. It's time to put this versatile magic draft to good use. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We look out for your health with amazing wellness tips for a healthy life, and we would love for you to be a part of our community of warriors. Castor oil is a unique and extraordinary oil that is obtained from the castor oil plant. No, my dear ladies and gentlemen, the oil does not grow on trees. It is pressed from the seeds of the plant known as Ricinus communis that is grown largely in India, South America, Africa, and China. Castor oil is popular as a potent over-the-counter laxative shown to be an effective and trusty cure for short-term constipation, and gets a bad reputation as its effectiveness is known to induce diarrhea. This powerful and almighty liquid is a surpassingly rich source of ricinoleic acid, which represents a massive 90% of the content of castor oil. This one-of-a-kind hydroxylated fatty acid is highly functional and versatile in its immense utility. The ricinoleic acid is suitable for many chemical reactions, leading to castor oil being used in innumerable ways in industrial products. If you are wary of the castor oil because you have heard about it causing poisoning from ricin, let us assure you, you have nothing to worry about. Ricin indeed is a natural toxin that is highly potent and is found in the castor oil plant. However, the toxic lectin remains as a residue in the bean pulp after the extraction of oil, and castor oil does not contain any trace amounts of ricin. Owing to its hardy renewability, incredible versatility, and being the only natural and effective source of hydroxylated fatty acids, castor oil has immense importance as a vital raw material in the chemical industries, as well as every household around the world. Number 1. Beauty and cosmetic products. Castor oil is known to be exceedingly effective as a soothing agent for topical use on skin and hair. It is a common ingredient in almost all commercial cosmetic, hair, and skincare products. As a matter of fact, you already apply castor oil to your skin on a daily basis. Most soaps mainly use castor oil for its skin-friendly properties. Number 2. Smooth skin. Have you been facing issues with dry skin or worried about those wrinkles? Are you facing challenges with a few pesky warts on the back of your neck or finger or anywhere else? Well, castor oil is here to save the day. Simply apply a few drops of castor oil and massage the area, and it will get right to the roots of the problem. Repeat this small but significant routine daily to see your skin turn miraculously smooth and glow up. Number 3. Strong hair. Well, now that your skin is moistened and young again, it's time to rejuvenate that head of hair. Say goodbye forever to brittle or dry hair and worry about hair fall no more. Apply a small amount of castor oil on your scalp, massage it thoroughly, and move your way along the length of the hair towards the tips, and brace yourself for the astonishing results. Not only will your hair grow long and strong, healing all damage, but you will find a thicker growth of hair being promoted in places that had faced hair fall before. Number 4. Clean cuticles. Regularly applying a few drops of castor oil to your cuticles can immensely benefit nail health. The rich and nourishing heavenly properties of castor oil help to moisturize and hydrate the cuticles, keeping them oh so soft and supple. Never worry about dryness, cracking, or peeling, and say goodbye forever to those painful hangnails with a bottle of castor oil on your shelf. The antimicrobial properties of castor oil will also prevent any kind of infections near the nails, keeping the graceful tips of your fingers clean at all times. Number 5. Earwax plunger. Are you scared of earbuds or the scary little machines that poke around inside the ear to remove the earwax built up over time? Well, we have the answers to soothe all your worries away. Castor oil is one of the safest and most effective substances that can help to soften and remove the buildup of earwax. Simply warm up a small amount of castor oil to a comfortable temperature and, tilting your head to the side, pour a couple drops of the invigorating liquid inside your ear. Allow it to sit in your ear for a few minutes to soften the accumulated earwax while you listen to the latest hit by Beethoven, and then gently tilt your head back and use a soft cloth to drain out the oil. Flush out the earwax by simply washing with some warm water, and voila, your ears are as clean as new. Number 6. A shiny coat of fur. If castor oil is so remarkably efficient for our hair, then why not for our little furry companions? Intriguingly, Castor oil is considered as a natural remedy for mange in dogs and is wonderful for their shiny coats. Simply rub some castor oil into the little pup's fur during bath time and watch their fur coat turn lustrous, shiny, and exorbitantly strong in no time. Number 7. Gardens and groves. Well, we have seen how castor oil is immensely beneficial to our bodies as well as those of our little animal companions. But what about our plants? As it turns out, castor oil pleases all with its incredible and versatile benefits. When those lovely plants start to look dull or gloomy, castor oil swoops in for the rescue. As a matter of fact, plants love castor oil and react favorably to it. Just mix together 2 teaspoons of castor oil in 2 cups of water and simply use this magic pail to water your plants. Sit back and relax with a warm cup of clove tea and watch the magic happen almost overnight as your plants turns lively with brighter and stronger fronds than ever seen before. Number 8. No more squeaks. Are you tired of listening to annoying squeaks on your beloved appliances throughout your house? Fret not, my dear lads, and simply open that bottle of castor oil. Unlike any other oil that can be harmful to certain kinds of metal or rubber, castor oil is absolutely safe and extremely effective to use as a lubricant for moving parts of machines or appliances. So give those neglected and dusty appliances a rejuvenating spa treatment with a couple drops of castor oil, and they will serve you gratefully for the rest of their mechanical life. Number 9. Sofa conditioner. Castor oil has a remarkable ability in rejuvenating the shine of any and all leather items. The capable solution also helps in prolonging their lifespan, whether it is used on shoes, jackets, bags, or furniture pieces. This unique oil works miracles, making it seem absolutely brand new by effectively moisturizing and nourishing the leather, preventing it from drying out or cracking. Simply apply a small amount of castor oil on a soft cloth and gently rub it onto the leather to make it shine like never before. Oh, my dear warriors, it is truly impressive how incredibly versatile castor oil is with natural solutions to many worries throughout our everyday lives. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I am going to polish my leather shoes and jacket with some castor oil so they look fantastic this weekend. I hope you have a lovely and healthy weekend ahead, and I look forward to see you again. Cheers to wellness and health. This is Wellness Warriors with another life-changing experience on how to take control of your healthy lifestyle. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on the latest health tips and tricks to a better life. Thank you for watching. See you again next time on Wellness Warriors.